Dave. He's a normal guy running a normal business. An installation business, as it happens. Dave is just like his mates when it comes to having a drink, but when it comes to going home, Dave is heading back to work. He's still struggling to get everything done in the day. Once again, Dave has to explain to the fitters that
you will be on a different job today. We forgot to order a small but key part of the job you should have been on.
At least he's honest. Something that can also be said for Ian, his accountant. Not easy when Ian needs to tell him, your profit is down again. It's not what you thought it was. Before they could look at why, the door opens and Sarah from Ops says,
"Where's Team 3 fitting next week?"
Dave asks Ian,
How can profit be so low when the turnover is up?
Ian can't even reply before Leanne needs help with some missing info on Amanda Jackson's quote. Well, today is a different day, and to be fair, it is different stress. Dave has to explain to the fitters,
We need you on the remedials today, guys. I don't need another social media warrior onto us. It's back to the Lathams today. No, Mr. Can, I am listening. Yes, I do understand where you are coming from. Leave it to me. I will try to get back to you today.
a bit of an easier day today for Dave. At least the guys will be fitting something, albeit
We are swapping around today's job with tomorrow's. Looks like Chris never checked everything in properly yesterday and we are missing some bits.
Dave, I've got Business Pilot on the phone. You saw them at the Fit Show.
Dave is way too busy to make his own life easier, let alone the lives of his team. So he says,
Tell them I'm in a meeting.
which isn't too far from the truth. He spends a lot of time in meetings over things that really shouldn't need to keep coming round. And as for the amount of time they all spend changing things on that installation board, they should buy shares in whiteboard markers. Well, every day is a fresh start, and if only Dave knew how this one would pan out as he informs the fitters.
You might as well get the vans and the units sorted out. Mr. and Mrs. Greenwood hadn't realized you were due today, and they emailed last night to say they couldn't be there as they are out all day. I will get something together for you to do today to fill in.
Hi, it's Matt from Business Pilot. I met Dave at the Fit Show, sent an email and tried him on the phone. I thought since I was seeing a customer 2 units down that I might as well pop in and say hello, said an enthusiastic Matt. He's unlikely to get the same enthusiastic response from Dave, but then, even to our surprise, Dave says,
Show him in.
as though the penny had finally dropped that Dave and the whole team needed some help. Matt proceeded to demo the Business Pilot system and offers Dave, why not just take a free trial? To which Dave replies,
Well, if it's free, then I have nothing to lose, I guess.
exactly, says Matt, and off he goes,
We thought you were never going to see the guy.
says Sarah. She didn't stop there.
My friend uses Business Pilot and they love it. This will really change things for us, Dave.
It would be easy to say that today was just like all the other days, but of course it wasn't. Dave, Sarah, Leanne, Rob, well, all the team got to grips with Business Pilot. As you can imagine, it was a lot easier than Dave had thought. And as for the team, they felt like Dave was trying to give them the tools they needed for the first time ever. Customer satisfaction went up, remakes and remedials went down. Profits went up, and more importantly, Dave went home on time. Now this was a very simple story with a very simple moral. We're simply asking, can you afford to put off using Business Pilot any longer? And if you are not sure, why not talk to Dave or another Business Pilot user? If you are tired with the same stress, different day, it's time to join us.